Hey, what's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious, iconic, hey, this right here. Yes, sir, that chopped cheese sandwich. So simple, so delicious. Hey, a few ingredients that'll get you in the game for a quick meal. That's inexpensive, fam. That's what we need in these days, right? Hey, let's go down to my workstation so I can show you how to make this delicious chopped cheese sandwich. Like this right here. Hey, that looks absolutely amazing. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Hey, this sandwich right here, probably one of the easiest sandwiches you can make, but absolutely it's delicious. And you see these ingredients right here with the exception of my 80/20 ground beef. Hey, this is what we're rolling with. I got my tomatoes, got my rolls here, a little bit of iceberg lettuce. Don't gotta chop it up, make it easy. Some mayo, got that Sazon, right? Some ketchup, American cheese, and then I got a yellow onion here. And you already know what we're making because you've seen that thumbnail, chopped cheese sandwich. Hey, let's get in the game. Now we got our tomato, and then we just want to get us some thin slices of tomato. And I'm gonna tell you, man, probably one of the greatest sandwiches is a nice tomato sandwich with salt and pepper with that Duke's mayo. Hey, get you some bread. Hey, you in the game. And these beefsteak tomatoes, if you want to know what type of tomatoes that I'm using, hey, we're in the game. The sandwich comes together fairly quickly, easy. Like I said, man, it's a delicious sandwich. And just let me know, man, would you do a chopped cheese or would you do a Philly cheesesteak? Now, two great sandwiches, but I'll just be honest with you, this one right here is just so simple to make. Hey, save you a little bit of money too. Get you in the game real quick. So we got our onions, we got our tomatoes. Hey, now we ready to roll. All right, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of butter. Hey, I love this pan right here. Hey, you can get you one from the Lodge store or on Amazon. I can link one in the description box. Melt me a little butter, and then I just wanna kind of toast outside of my buns. Hey, get these things warmed up. And I'm not trying to get it like crispy. I just want to get like a little flavor on it, get a little bit of texture on it. Turn it over, do the same on this front side. Hey, and by doing this will soften up this roll right here. So you get a nice little good bite of a chopped cheese when you take that bite. And then once you get all sides, like I said, get that butter in it. And then now it's nice. Hey, got a nice little texture to it. If you want to, hey, you can cut these open and, you know what I'm saying, toast it a little bit. I'm gonna leave these just as be and let these ride out. Take these off, and then we're gonna make this chopped cheese, fam. Now, I got me some 85/15 ground beef. I'm gonna flatten this out. Then we'll let that cook. We're gonna add in our onions. Now we're gonna get off in here and we're gonna chop this thing up. Now I'm gonna add me a little bit of W sauce, a couple of splashes of that. And then I'm gonna add me my Sazon seasoning. That entire packet. Hey, then we let that cook, and then we're gonna get everything mixed in. Chop that thing up. Yes, sir. And once we got everything where we want it to be, now it's time to add that cheese. Let that cheese melt and get everything mixed in. Hey, get you a nice little scoop of this, get underneath it, and then get your roll. Hey, pack that thing in there like that. And then we gotta dress this up. Hey, we ain't done yet. So what I'm gonna do, hey, I'm gonna come in with a little bit of mayo. And you can go extra mayo if you like. A little bit of ketchup. I'm gonna go in with my tomatoes. And then I'm gonna hit it with some lettuce. So we got this one, a little bit of pepper to it. I'm gonna hit it with a dash of vinegar. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Hey, we'll wrap this thing like the other one. Hey, got that parchment paper. Roll that thing up like that. Sit it on that foil. And then we get it tightly wrapped. Holding those edges like that. Hey, yes sir, we in the game. I let this one sit out, rest a little bit. Hey, let it create a little bit of steam. Now all we gotta do, slice in this bad boy. Hey, let's see what we got. Oh, yes sir. We gotta get us a taste test. Cheers, fam. We in the game. Yes sir. I am. Simply delicious. Oh, so amazing. This is delicious, fam. If you're new to my channel and you want to get in the game and stay in the game, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends and tell them Cooking with Mayo Focus got you in the game. Now for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, go out, get you your ingredients and make this absolutely delicious chopped cheese. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. And you already know what your boy the coach is about to do. I'm about to smash back into this chopped cheese and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, yes sir, we in the game.